guys a very common problem and an easy fix for it. This piece right here is causing this problem. This piece comes off really easy. Just kind of twist it a little bit, play with it, and it'll come right off. Now, in order to fix this, you have to take this apart, which isn't difficult. You just take this plastic piece and slide it right off like this. And as you can tell, I have 2 pennies at the bottom of here, and the bottom of this piece right here. It's like a little rubber stopper. Now, if you take 2 pennies, drop them inside of here, nice and flat, and then slide this right back onto here, and do that for both sides, your trunk will no longer have this problem. Like I said earlier, after taking this piece off, just pop the rubber part right off like that, and take this out, and then go grab 2 pennies, and stick them right at the bottom of this. Right in here. Make sure they're nice and flat. Put this back in. It might be a bit of a struggle just to get this rubber piece back up, but it'll take you, what, 2 minutes? Put it right back up there, and your trunk will work just like this. If you liked the video, go ahead and check out some of my other ones. Subscribe for more, and maybe I'll have some more tricks.